Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S20 5G that needs screen replacement, and that's a crack. As you can see on the tempered glass or the cover of the front display, it's been used in pretty demanding situations. So a crack is almost unsurprising. So we're going to remove this back cover and replace the front display. This one we're going to reuse after. So the good thing about the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G is that the spare parts or the screen replacement parts are pretty abundant because it's a well-known brand. It's from Samsung, and of course the smartphone is serviceable by professional technicians. If you want to do this on your own, it's pretty complicated, although it is doable, but we still recommend that you go to a professional technician to do the job for you. Right here, there's a lot of thin components and sensitive electronics that can be damaged if you slightly mishandle them or even look at them. They can just break apart in your hands. So we're going to remove the connections to the motherboard. This is the board, and we're going to remove the daughter board at the bottom. So remember, these are all sensitive electronics, so we're going to remove the screws, and the flat cables that goes through the battery is also sensitive. So this is the replacement display. The replacement display and the chassis are all integrated to one another. If you replace the other, you also have to replace the other one. So we're all going to transplant all the parts that we have removed from the old display to the new one. It's that easy. So although it may look easy when you watch David do it, it's kind of complicated. There's a lot of techniques and protocols to observe whenever you remove something or put it back together. Especially this battery. If you don't know by now, lithium batteries can be dangerous if you drop or puncture them or even misalign them in the connectors. So we're gonna install all the screws, and we're almost done. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S20, S21, or other Samsung Galaxy or Note smartphones, we can help you fix the broken display, or replace the battery, or replace the charging port, or replace the camera lens glass or the back glass. We do a lot of things around here, and also for a reasonable price. As you can see here, it's done. Almost done. See? Sydney CBD Repair Center. Reliable service. Quick service also. We're gonna diagnose everything. We're gonna test it. Buttons, screens, speakers, touch screen. And you can see that it's ready for the client. So also fix ROG phones, iPhones, and smartwatches. If you have those lying around broken, we can also fix that for you. So this is it. It's that easy. So thanks for joining, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center to watch other repair videos in the future. Until next time, cheers.